We ordered this 4x4 replacement emblem logo for the rear flatbed of the Dodge, and it looks outstanding. I mean, it's really, really super nice. I'm glad I read the reviews, though, because I actually would have used the adhesive included, and instead I took it to my car mechanic guy, Ricky, and Ricky had some professional glue. He lined it up professionally to really install it and make sure that it looked correct and it looked professional. The only other negative thing I heard said about it, which is true, is that it's not the full size of the original, but it's not tiny. It's within like 9/10 or at the very most 8/10 the size of the original. So it is very similar to the original. Like, no one will be able to tell the difference unless you misglue it, unless you kind of like put it askew and don't line it up correctly. I recommend going to the mechanics to do it. They literally do these things hundreds of times. They have a way to do it so that it looks mechanical and that it's at the right alignment, and so I would just order it and have them do it because it looks absolutely identical to the original and really super high quality. It looks like it's made of chrome, doesn't look like some sort of like cheap plastic imitation. So super happy with this.